Good morning to one and all. My name is Naresh, and today's regarding to the subject digital electronics. My topic is memory data register. At first, initially, we need to know what is meant by register. We well know that register is a quickly accessible location available to a computer's central processing unit, nothing but CPU. Registers are used to quickly accept, store, and transfer data and instructions that are being used immediately by the CPU. Almost all the computers load data from a larger memory into registers where it is used for arithmetic operations and is manipulated or tested by machine instructions. Manipulated data is then often stored back to main memory. Processor registers are normally at the top of the memory hierarchy and provide the fastest way to access the data. A register may hold an instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data, such as a bit of sequence or individual characters. Array of it is categorized as MAR and MDR memory address register. It is categorized as the two major one, that is MAR and MDR, where MAR is nothing but the memory address register and MDR is nothing but the memory data register. And my topic is regarding to the MDR, nothing but memory data register. Fetch ADR. Put ADDR into MAR. Tell memory unit to load memory copies data into MDR. Store. Put ADDR into MAR. Put new value into MDR. Tell memory unit to store. Memory stores data from MDR into memory cell. Memory data register MDR. It contains that data to be stored in the computer storage. For example, RAM. RAM access nothing memory. It acts like a buffer and holds anything that is copied from the memory ready for the processor to use it. MDR holds the information before it goes to the decoder, where MAR nothing but the memory address register which holds the memory address and instruction from memory during the execution phase and instruction. It contains the copy of designated memory locations specified by the memory address register. Where is the location of the registers? CPU main memory. CPU nothing but registers control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, where the main memory categorized as RAM and ROM, where furtherly controllers disk drive. RAM operations steps of transferring a new word to be into memory. Apply the binary address for the desired word to the address lines, and like that follow the steps which are on the PPT. Type of memories we well known about that. RAM, which is nothing but the random access memory. Its construction are the data input lines, data output lines, address selection lines, control lines that specify the direction of the transfer and its operations. And furtherly the memory unit we well known, and the memory address start from up 0, where the memory stores binary information in groups of bits called the words, where memory word is group of ones and zeros or many represent instructions.